In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Donchian Zig Zag in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have your chart open. It can be any market or time frame you like because the process to add the indicator is always the same. Once your chart is visible, look near the top of the screen for the Indicators button. This is usually found in the main toolbar above the chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators to open the Indicators and Strategies window. When that window opens, you'll see a search box at the top. This is where you can quickly find any indicator without scrolling through long lists. Click once inside the search box so your cursor is active there, and then type in Donchian Zig Zag. As you type, TradingView will start filtering the available indicators, and you should see Donchian Zig Zag appear in the results below. Once you see it in the list, simply click on the Donchian Zig Zag indicator name. TradingView will immediately add it to your active chart. You'll notice new lines and swings drawn on your price chart, showing the Donchian Zig Zag structure. If nothing shows up right away, make sure you're looking at a reasonable zoom level on your chart so the swings are visible. After the indicator is added, you can customize it if you want. To do that, hover over the indicator name at the top left of your chart, then click on the settings icon next to it. In the settings panel, you'll be able to tweak inputs like lengths, colors, and line styles, depending on how the script is built. Adjust these to match your personal trading style or to make the lines stand out clearly against your chart background. When you're happy with the look, click OK to apply those changes. If you're using TradingView Pro or considering upgrading, remember that using an affiliate link in the description can be a simple way to support the channel at no extra cost to you. It usually gives you access to more indicators on the chart at the same time, additional alerts, and an overall smoother experience compared to the free plan, which can really help when you're working with tools like Donchian Zig Zag. That's all there is to it. You open the Indicators menu, use the search box to look for Donchian Zig Zag, click to add it to your chart, and then fine-tune the settings so it fits your workflow inside TradingView Pro.